The young boy was locked in a series of locks, with locks on his head, and then his hands and feet were tied with a tie. The next procedure immediately caused pain. The boy struggled hard, but the doctor still couldn't cut his hair. He was in deep unconsciousness, without a suit, and then his head and body drifted into a deep dream. As soon as the boy woke up, he found himself in a strange situation. As he floated in the air, his face sank into a deep dream. He started feeling difficulty in breathing. His mother, to protect him from contact with the outside world, could only use a plastic bed for him to sleep on. Every day, he could only wash his face, eat, and sleep. If he had to go outside, he had to wear a special jacket. Because of this, people often made fun of him. His mother tried to seek help from others, but the outcome was predictable. However, due to the unwavering faith of his parents, they finally found a hospital that could treat this strange disease. Without any delay, they packed their belongings and set out for the hospital. But on the way, the boy saw a strange sight. A little girl was sitting in the sky, but the boys didn't pay much attention to it. As they passed through a fog, a doctor appeared before them. As soon as they reached the door, it opened. After a brief disinfection process, a serious-faced doctor stood in front of them. The doctor took them inside and began explaining the treatment plan. The treatment was divided into 3 stages, and this was the first stage. But as they reached a corner on the second floor, the boy felt something strange. The doctor said that they were still in the middle of the tunnel, and just then, the voice of a little girl was heard. The boy rolled his eyes, and the voice suddenly disappeared. The doctor took them to a room. The boy was scared, but he sighed in relief that he could finally be in contact with his family. The family was in a hurry, but at night the boy started feeling something strange. Suddenly, he heard a terrifying voice. As the boy moved forward, he saw a collection of weapons on the bed. He was still trying to understand what it was. He panicked and went to sleep next to his mother. The next day, he told the doctor about his terrifying night visions. The doctor dismissed it as a hallucination, saying it was just his imagination and nothing to worry about. After that, the first stage of the surgery began. They tied his hands and feet and tightly secured his head. After a little preparation, they began their sacred operation. The doctor picked up a large metal instrument and made a hole in the boy's neck. The doctor had no idea what was about to come out of the boy's body.